Okay, so how do you really get into digital marketing step by step? Where do you start if you're feeling overwhelmed? Maybe you're on the fence, you don't know what the heck you want to do, you don't know where to start. And all these people are talking about digital marketing and starting digital marketing and how you should start because, it's a growing industry and it's doing well. And you're seeing all these people make money on your line and you want to get in there, but you just don't know where to start. Well, take a pen and paper, or if you type and you prefer that way, pick something you love. That is step number one. Pick a niche. Pick something that you enjoy or that you have knowledge of or that you're good at, that you can educate or assist people on, okay? Because number two, you're going to help them solve their problem. You're going to assist them on that area that you're good at. So say you're good at gardening and you're like, how can I help them with gardening? Well, you know what? Number three, you're going to create a product that's going to help them solve that problem, that's going to educate them. So maybe with gardening, you're going to say, okay, let's make a planner that they'll know what to plant each season, that they can plant these shrubs here, that these flowers are going to repel, mosquitoes, or the shrub is, and then these flowers are going to bring in butterflies and bees. So you're going to give them education. You're going to give them something that they want to know, but they don't know what to do, right? So that's number three, is creating a product. Maybe you can even create a video series on gardening because you love it so much, and now you're gonna share that information that you're good at. Then number four is you're going to go on social media and create platforms where you can share this information. So whether you have an Instagram account, a YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, any of those social media platforms. I'm on about 6 different platforms. For any of you who don't know me, my name is Susan. I have had a business online since 2012. And I am now helping people with digital products because I'm now a digital marketer and I have a store where I do sell digital products. I've been taking the roadmap, and so I'm learning all the steps I need to create digital products and to have my own digital products and resell products that have private label rights or master resale rights. So if you are thinking of getting into digital marketing, but you're just not sure where to start, taking a course is your number one step, right? Because all the things that I'm talking about, picking your niche, how you're going to solve people's problems, what product should I create, how can I drive my traffic there, how can I create a sales funnel that's going to bring people in and give them all the information about my products on one page. That's a sales funnel. How am I going to email, automate, and get people to come in and get my emails? Well, it's going to teach you, how to give something away for free and capture an email so you get some email subscribers. So it's one thing after another, and that's what the Roadmap course is doing for me. It's taught me that, all the steps, step by step from the ground up, right? It's going to hold your hand with 32 hours of information and teach you all those different things, right? Anyway, so the Roadmap is in my store. You can check it out there. I've listed out all the modules of what you can learn in that course. Very, very helpful, incredibly helpful for that investment that you're putting in. And I do have payment plans, by the way. You are going to get such good value for money from there, because if you've always wanted to be in the online space or create an online business, or even a bricks and mortar one for that matter, and it doesn't even have to be a digital business. Maybe you want to sell physical goods like I have online. The Roadmap is going to help you. The Roadmap has helped my pre-existing business a lot already. But now with building a digital business, it's taking me to the next level, right? So if you are not sure where to start, I would start with a course, but also start prioritizing and setting yourself up before you take that course with what it is that you're actually going to educate or help people on. What problem are you going to solve? So if you have any questions about the Roadmap that's in my store, please reach out to me or check the link in my bio. Go through my store. There are other products in there that are going to assist you with setting up an online business and on your road to success.